That is part one of our Chile trip done. The boats are checked in, just waiting for them to be taken away to be loaded on the plane. Hopefully in about 18 to 20 hours we'll be landing in Santiago. We'll grab the car and go kayaking. We're in Brazil.
Yeah.
And then as we got off the plane, we got a message saying that our next flight had been cancelled to Chile and the next available flight is in 2 days. But we're hoping that there might be an earlier flight that we can get on. Attempt number 2 at the airport. Perfecto. We picked up our boats from the storage. Now we're going to go try and get back on the flight. We're both not very confident it's going to work. Good news. Hubert's boat is right there, right on top of us. Out there somewhere. Late night pickup last night from Dane. Brought us down to camp. Met with these lovely fellas.
Good morning.
Pack everything up. We go kayaking. So efficient. 8 o'clock. Ready to go. Sick lap on my boat this morning. Matty picked up the van, swapped the battery over because that was dead. Now we're heading south to the Claro and then spend a couple of days there. Quick walk to the Claro. Trees everywhere. We're at the top of the Rio Claro. We got here yesterday but the park was closed. I went to scout Liliona. Unfortunately that's too low. We got it this morning. Started heading up. Oh, so stoked. Let's get it. It's like a dream. You. That was sick, except for Giganta. We had a pretty big hit on that one. Probably gonna need a rest for a couple of days now, but so sick. We got to the Rio Claro 3 days ago. The first day we came to check out Liliona and the drop looked sick, but when we went to check the entrance, it's got like a super manky lead in and you need enough water. And 3 days ago we didn't have enough water. It would have just thrown you into the wall. It would have been not very good. It rained a bit last night and we came back to check it. Hopes weren't too high, but there's we think just enough water to get over that first move, and then the drop's going to be sick. But the back eased up pretty good, and I'm pretty confident that I'm not going to take too big of a hit on Liliona, so I'm going to go for it.
Even if you're hipped on it, moving right, it'll be similar to what happened to the other guy. I think they're still clearing the rock.
That is so sick! I feel a lot better than I thought about it up there.
Yeah.
You might hit the wall, but it's not like you're gonna slam into it. Oh yeah,
dude. Dude, that was a sick fucking line.
So stoked. Oh yeah. Was hoping for that one for a long time. Thought we weren't gonna get it. We got it. So sick. What a way to end the ReactR trip. Onwards, further south. Let's go.